Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2005 Lexus RX400 hybrid maintenance light reset. Go ahead and turn on your car without starting. We're going to be using that little screen right here. As you can see, we are on the ODO and we should be there, but if it's not there, you can go ahead and click this button over here on the left side, the trip button, to go find the ODO, just like this. Okay, just keep pressing. You see, there it is. Now when you get there, turn off your car, and at the same time press and hold this button and turn your car back on without starting. Now press and hold. Give me a second here. Turn your car back on without starting, and you should see the runner blinking just like that. And that is it, guys. Make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.